So this is where we left off in that example that we didn't have time for. Just wanted to finish it up real quick for you. So here, this is the information you have, and you're trying to figure out the other missing angles A and B. So you have to use law of cosine. So the formula that we're going to use to do that states that A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2A or 2BC times cosine of A. So we're going to use this formula here and we're going to plug in what we have. Little a is the side opposite angle A. So this is little a. Here is little c and here is little b. So we're going to plug those in. Remember, we found this by using the Pythagorean theorem. We did that together before the end of our session. So here is the rest of it here. Let's plug in a. So we'd have 18 squared equals b squared, which is 12.65 squared plus 22 squared minus 2 times 12.65 times 22 times cosine of A. And this right here is what I'm trying to solve for right here, angle A. Okay, so we have to isolate A, and like your teacher said on your sheet, you're going to have to use inverse trigonometry to do that. When we're solving for angle measures, we at some point will have to use inverse trigonometry. First, we need to simplify this equation. So these are both constants. We can add them together. And this right here is a coefficient of cosine of A. So we're going to end up having to divide by that second piece as we solve for A. So let's keep simplifying here. 18 squared is 324. 12.65 squared plus 22 squared gives you 644.02 minus, now I'm going to do this, 2 times 12.65 times 22, 556.6 times cosine of A. Okay, so all that is what I have right now. And again, I'm trying to solve for this. I'm trying to isolate A. Well, in this equation, the next step in the process is going to be to get your constants together. So I'm going to subtract 644.02 from both sides. So 324 minus 644.02. I get negative 320.02 equals negative 556.6 times cosine of A. Now I need to divide by this on both sides. So I'm going to divide by negative 556.6 on both sides. Negative 320.02 divided by negative 556.6. I get positive 0.5749 equals cosine of A. And here is that inverse trigonometry. Here, to get rid of the cosine and just get A, angle A, you have to take the inverse cosine of both sides. So I'm going to go second cosine, and I'm going to plug in 0.5749. And when I take the inverse cosine of 0.5749, I get A equals 54.9 degrees. So this is 54.9 degrees. Now, this is 90, this is 54.9, so now I can find angle B, because I know the three have to add up to 180. So I can do 180 minus 54.9 minus 90, and I'm left with 35.1 degrees. Now altogether, these three angles will equal 180. So those would be your answers. A would be 54.9, B would be 35.1.